Hey Piscatorians, welcome back to the channel. I just got done seafoaming the kicker motor and I need to change the spark plug. So I thought I'd make a separate video showing you how I change the spark plugs on my 9.9 high thrust Yamaha kicker. First time doing this. Went to the Yamaha store and these NGK plugs are the plugs for the job. They're the BR6HS-10. The gap on them was supposed to be 0.036. I looked at the gap tester and they look like they're falling right in that tolerance, so no adjustments needed. With that said, I took the cowling off the motor. It looks like we got these plugs right here. That'll pop off. It's on there pretty good. Okay, and so now we just need to take those off. We're going to be using a deep socket 13/16 socket here. This guy, plug socket takes it off. Perfect. Now I'll just get the wrench. Figure I better start with the bottom one here. As you can see, that's pretty tight, doesn't quite fit, so you need to use this guy. Oh, okay, that was easy. Let's see if I can take this out by hand. Alright, we got it out. There she is. Oh yeah. Looks like it's time for a new one. So, got this guy here. Going to take a little bit of this anti-seize. Just a little bit of that stuff goes a long way. You don't want to do those too tight. Then I'm going to a little dielectric grease. It's out there. Pop that one on. And do the top one. Tighten there. All right. Just like that, we've changed them. Now I'll just make sure that it fires up, and should be good to go. All right, went ahead and fired the motor up, and looks like she's running just fine. So I'd say the spark plug swap out was a success. Now we're ready for the water. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the little short clip of changing the spark plugs, smash that like button for me. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and as always, tight lines.